YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph Maldonado. In this video, I'm going to be installing my valve stem seals, my valves, the springs, retainer. We're going to get everything back in the head. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace. Alright, before I get started, let me go ahead and show you the stuff we're going to be using to put this stuff back in the head, alright? You're going to need, I have this kit here, I bought off Amazon. It pulled out the old valve stems, and it also has the tools to install the new ones. So you need to pick what size you need that matches your valve stem. Then you'll be able to take some oil, put it on the tool, and then slide on your new valve seal. Alright, over here I have the valves, the valve spring. This goes at the very bottom of the where the spring seats at. Then you have the retainer, and in this little magnetic tray I have all of the keepers. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this first one in. This is gonna guide you down inside of the guide. And once you have it inside of the guide, you can push down, and then you want to give it a little tap. Sucker coming back out. All right, so that's one. So we'll go ahead and I'll set this up and I'll keep it going. I hope that was a good example of how to quickly put these valve stem seals in. You gotta make sure you put some oil on them, give them a good little knock, make sure they're seated, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing now. Alright, I wasn't going to put this in here, but I might as well. I was going really fast, and I skipped. Check it out. What do I have left over there on the table? Yeah. So be careful I mean, all I gotta do is pull them out and knock them back one. But yeah, this stuff happens when you're going fast, but it is what it is. Alright, all the valves are installed. I need to flip the head over so I can install the rest of the valve train. So I'm going to actually, people do this different ways, but I'm actually going to try to tape this side so I can flip it over. I have a bubble that came with this tool here. This isn't the most ideal, but it'll do the job. It was very cheap, about 15 bucks. You put this underneath, it holds the valves, you pop everything on. Right now, I'm going to grab this little washer part here that goes to the bottom with the seat of the spring. Then you install the spring. Then you take the retainer and make sure you have the keepers inside, and you sit that on top. Alright, so here I go.
Go.
It's still on? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. I can't even remember this shit.